Guys, gals, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where today I have some viewer mail. Just about every single one of these packages is from one viewer, Maxwell. Maxwell's been doing some spring cleaning and he has donated a ton of gear to the channel. So this is the Maxwell edition, and there will be numerous episodes in regards to the Maxwell edition. So, with that being the case, let's start with this box right here. Pretty hefty. So, this is what everybody's been waiting for. Maxwell, what's in the box? The turkey said the same thing, what's in the box? What's in the box? Let's find out right now. Before I open this box, I want to say a big thank you to Maxwell. Thank you so much for making this possible. Thank you so much for being so generous. This is awesome. This is going to be a fun series. Let's see what is in the first box from Maxwell. So, I see an external frame pack. This looks like an Alice pack with a bottom attachment here. So yeah, this is the modular lightweight load carrying equipment sleep system carrier, which attaches to the bottom of this pack, which is pretty dang sweet. So this thing has been altered. It has some new straps, side pocket, side pouch, another side pouch, the waist belt. Everything here is in really good shape. Here in the lid, we have a pack cover, a very good size pack cover. This is really an interesting, you guys hear that? This really is an interesting product because it's more of a fabric. That's interesting, all right. On the inside, we have one little pouch with an Alice clip. So we've done one package so far. Let's go ahead and do one more. The question is, Maxwell, what's in the box? What's in the box? More military surplus. Wow. Oh yeah, so what we have here is an entire harness system that is set up for a dude who is much bigger than myself. Take a look at this. Some adjustments do need to be made because this thing is huge. Maxwell, you must be a big guy, buddy. A big guy, but this is very cool. So let's go through the pockets here and let's see what we got. So let's check out this chest pocket. What we have here is a compass. Yep, works perfectly. So we have a canteen and cup, another canteen cup and canteen. This looks like a poncho. I like the poncho a lot, brother. That is sweet. For this viewer mail episode, the Maxwell edition, that's pretty much it. Maxwell, thank you so much again for your generosity. As mentioned before, he's been doing some spring cleaning. He told me that I can keep this stuff, I can sell it, give it away, whatever I want to. That is incredibly generous. Thank you. More episodes are coming up of the Maxwell Viewer Mail edition, so stay tuned. Strength and honor, everybody. Take care.